my friends, and welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is. My name is Dane, author of the series of books Knowledge to Forage. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and thank you all for joining me here today on this beautiful morning where I'm absolutely blessed to be spending my time in this lovely little community garden. This community garden is surrounded in many amazing wild plants. It has some fruit trees and some raised vegetable beds in the middle, and over here it has a lovely little herb garden. There's sage to my right, and right here in front of me is the plant of calm known as lemon balm. Lemon balm is an amazing plant. It has many medicinal properties. It's also got a fascinating history too. So if you're interested, then come dive into the world of the calming lemon balm. Now, lemon balm has many common names, but its two most popular common names are lemon balm, which it gets because of its natural citrusy lemony scent, and bee balm, because bees just absolutely love lemon balm. Bees love lemon balm so much, in fact, that ancient beekeepers in Turkey would plant the plant next to beehives, and this would enable bees to easily smell their way home because they'd follow the smell of the lemon balm. They'd also take the leaves of lemon balm and squish them up and place them in new beehives if they wanted the bees to move home, because the bees just love the smell of lemon balm so much they'll follow it wherever it goes. Now, this is actually where the lemon balm's genus name descends from, which is ancient Greek Melissa. Melissa actually means honeybee, and Melissa in ancient Greek mythology was a magical nymph that was said to have been taught the joys of honey by the actual bees themselves. Now, if you want to help your local bees and butterflies, planting lemon balm out in your garden will make them very happy. Now, lemon balm is a part of the mint family, and it's originally native to the Middle East. But it didn't take this plant long to spread its wings and head across the ocean, spread far and wide across the land, because people, just like the bees, they absolutely adore this plant. Now you can find lemon balm growing in herb gardens and out in the wild in many countries around the world. If you stumble across lemon balm in the wild, to identify it is also super simple, because it has the typical square stem that all mint plants have. It has these oval, almost heart-shaped leaves with nice serrated edges, and of course, when you give its leaves a little rub in your fingers, it has that remarkable, divine smell of lemon balm. The essential oils in lemon balm that give off this beautiful smell are so powerful that we don't even need to damage the leaves or crush them to smell it. Just simply rub your fingers on the leaves just to heat it up for a moment, and your fingers are absolutely covered in the scent of lemon balm. It's these essential oils that flow within the lemon balm that give it its potent medicinal properties. And these essential oils are so strong that we can get a good idea of how they make us feel just by smelling them. When we squish the leaves of lemon balm and inhale these essential oils deeply, hold them in and tap into that inner intuition, it's easy to tell that this plant makes us feel calm and happy in the mind, and it brings a peaceful feeling to our chest region, our heart, and it helps our body release tension. Oh, it just smells so beautiful. Now, this is why lemon balm and traditional herbalism has been used for centuries as the go-to herb for treating conditions such as nervousness and anxiety and sleep, because it calms us and releases that tension from our body. Now, to enjoy these benefits of lemon balm is super simple. You can simply smell the plant, infuse it with maybe a balm like a lip balm, so you can smell the lemon balm all throughout the day. Lemon balm is also good for treating cold sores on the lips, or of course you can do my personal favorite, which is infuse it into a herbal tea. Cheers. Now, what I absolutely love about lemon balm tea is you can make it with fresh leaves, or you can dry it or purchase it dried and enjoy it all year long. And even though it's a calming sedative herb, it helps me relax. It also doesn't make me feel lethargic or groggy. This means I can take lemon balm tea wherever I go in the world and bring that sense of peace and calm, but still keep my energy levels up so I can soldier on through the day. And what I also love about lemon balm tea is it doesn't have that herby flavour that most herbal teas have. This one, it tastes exactly how lemon balm smells. Absolutely beautiful. Now, lemon balm has been used for its calming effects for centuries, and these are no secret today because there's been many studies on the plant proving it can help calm your nervousness, anxiety, and help you sleep. For example, if we turn to the lemon balm section in our big book, Knowledge to Forage, and turn to the herbalism page, we can see the traditional uses which we just spoke about, and then underneath the scientific studies on the lemon balm proving its medicinal properties to be true. For example, one study found that lemon balm can relieve stress, another found it can reduce anxiety and boost our cognitive function. Another study found it can relieve indigestion and nausea, just like its close relative mint. And my personal favourite study found that lemon balm can help treat children with sleep disorders. This study on 918 children found that a combination of valerian and lemon balm is effective in the treatment of restlessness and sleep disorders in children. The study found that the children who took the combined dose experienced a 70 to 80% improvement in their symptoms. Both the parents and researchers in this study agreed that lemon balm and valerian were good natural treatments for the children's sleep issues. How incredible is that? Anxiety, nervousness, stress, sleep issues, these are all a huge problem in the modern world today. And here is this simple herbal tea that might be able to help just a little bit of it go away. Now, just like all plants, trees and fungi, the lemon balm has a fascinating history. The ancient beekeepers used to use the plant to help take care of their bees. The ancient Greeks believed that it was the nymph Melissa that was taught by the bees themselves how to enjoy their honey. But my personal favourite legend comes back to a time of the Sisters of Carmel. The Sisters of Carmel were nuns that originally from Israel travelled over into Europe, bringing with them their precious herbal knowledge. The nuns became loved and celebrated in France because of their healing herbal remedies, the most popular being a miracle water that became known as Carmelite water, which they gave to King Charles of France. This recipe was a closely guarded secret, its main ingredient only being known because of its unique, powerful lemon balm scent. This water is still sold today and its recipe is still a secret. So there we have it, people, the lovely lemon balm, a plant that brings with it the gifts of peace and calm into our world, a plant adored by people and bees, and a plant with a fascinating herbal history. As always, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to do all the modern world things such as like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And if you want to own all the knowledge just like this in a big book, then check out our series of books, Knowledge to Forage. But most importantly of all, take care of yourselves and I'll see you all next time. Peace. Delightful lemon balm leads the way. Come little bees, I'm over here this way. The calming lemony scent of the sweet balm bees adore. Their loving hearts follow its fragrance to their new front door. Perhaps we should all let nature lead the way. Peace cannot